student, today my topic is p block element. So p block element have boron family, group 13 of long form of periodic table, that is group 3rd A. Journal configuration is ns2 and p1, that is 13 means this is 3 at the valence shell, where n outermost orbit. Boron have this configuration, aluminum have this because the number is 13. Now gallium, indium and thallium, these are the elements of the p block element. Now the electron enters p subshell of atom of these elements, so that they are called as p block element. They are present abundantly in earth crust except boron, this is less abundance, and aluminum is more abundance. All these elements are found in combined state. They are electron deficient as p subshell have capacity to accommodate 6 electron, but in groups p orbital have only 1 electron. In this type of electronic configuration, p have only 1 electron in it. That is why they are electron deficient. Now next is they have similar property as their electronic configuration is similar. Next is except boron all are solid metal. Density, that is mass upon volume, increase from top to bottom. Melting point decrease from boron to gallium and then increase. Atomic radii and ionic radii increases because of effective nuclear charge decreases due to increase in number of electronic shell. If the electronic shell get increased, the nuclear charge get decreased. The attraction with the nucleus is decreased. So the atomic radii and ionic radii have no compulsion to attract with the nucleus. So they have they are increased in the length. So next is ionization energy decrease from boron to aluminum, and same in gallium, indium and thallium. Now next is electronegativity decrease from boron to aluminum. They show oxidation state +3 because of the 13. They show +3 as the last valence shell contain 3 electron in each element. All the metal ion are known as exist in hydrated state. Boron is only non-metal. Non-metal means which is not metal, and rest are the metals. That is somewhat it is in the gaseous state. Abnormal behavior of boron. Boron show abnormal behavior due to small in size, high charge, high electronegativity. It is non-metal while others are metal. It is bad conductor of electricity while others are good conductor of electricity. Boron show allotropy. Allotropy means more than one form and exist in 2 forms, that is crystalline and amorphous. Aluminum is soft metal and does not exist in different form. Now next is the melting and boiling point of boron is higher than other element. Boron form covalent bond while other form ionic bond or compound also. Hydroxide and oxide of boron are acidic in nature, whereas other are amphoteric and basic in nature. The trihalide of boron exists as monomer while aluminum halide form dimer. The halide of boron, that is borane, are quite stable while aluminum are unstable. Dilute acids have no action while other metals liberate hydrogen with acid. Non-crystalline boron liberate NO2 with HNO3 while other members do not. They are stable and maximum covalency is 4, that is BH4 minus, while other have 6 covalency. Boron combined with metal forms borides, that is Mg3B2, while other forms alloy. So my question is for today, what are the characteristics of p block element and abnormal behavior of boron? Thank you.